Space always tells the truth. A small room will quickly expose furniture that promises too much and delivers too little. The Amada 66 Convertible Futon sofa bed feels designed with that honesty in mind. It does not pretend to be a luxury sectional or a hotel mattress. Instead, it shows up as a practical, good-looking piece that understands apartment life, studio layouts, and the quiet need for flexibility. The first thing that stands out is the size. At 66 inches, this futon is clearly made for compact spaces. Studio apartments, guest rooms, home offices, and small living rooms benefit most from its footprint. It fits without crowding, leaving space to walk, breathe, and live. When laid flat, it turns into a twin-size sleeping surface, enough for overnight guests or a quick nap without turning the room into chaos. Comfort comes from memory foam seat cushions that balance firmness and softness. This is not a sink-in, plush sofa. The structure sits on a solid wooden frame, which gives it stability and shape. Sitting feels supportive rather than squishy, and lounging works well for reading, watching shows, or scrolling late into the night. For sleeping, the surface stays firm enough to avoid that uncomfortable dip common in cheaper futons. There is also a practical detail many people miss at first: zippered cushions. Extra padding can be added easily, allowing comfort to be customized instead of complained about. Adjustability is where this futon quietly earns respect. The backrest moves between 3 angles, 105 degrees, 160 degrees, and fully flat at 180 degrees. The armrests offer 5 different positions, which makes a surprising difference. Upright feels appropriate for conversation. Reclined works for lazy afternoons. Fully flat turns it into a bed without fuss. The transitions feel smooth, not forced, and nothing rattles or feels flimsy. The corduroy fabric deserves attention. Soft to the touch and visually warm, it leans into a vintage, mid-century mood without looking dated. The texture adds depth, making the futon look more expensive than its price suggests. In small spaces, fabric matters because furniture is always visible. This corduroy blends easily with modern, minimalist, or cozy interiors and brings a slightly boutique feel without trying too hard. Assembly is refreshingly simple. One package arrives, folded neatly. The futon opens using hinges, legs attach quickly, and the rest is straightforward. One person can finish the setup in about 15 minutes without breaking a sweat or questioning life choices. Even details like floor protection feel considered. The legs are sturdy, low profile, and kind to hard floors, leaving no scratches behind. Durability holds up better than expected. The frame feels solid, the Velcro system keeps cushions in place, and daily use does not cause shifting or sagging. Even in homes with kids, the futon holds its shape, resists abuse, and keeps its structure intact. This is furniture meant to be lived on, not tiptoed around. Price plays an important role in how this futon should be judged. It delivers exactly what it promises. It is not luxury, and it does not pretend to be. It is a well-made, stylish, space-saving solution that offers flexibility, comfort, and reliability at a fair cost. The value shows up not in extravagance, but in consistency. The Amada 66 Convertible Futon sofa bed feels like a quiet ally in small space living. It adapts, it endures, and it looks good doing it. Honest furniture has a certain calm confidence. This futon carries that energy. Practical, composed, and perfectly aware of what modern living actually needs.